what makes Cedar Park an amazing place for kids. It's the people that we have.
The way that students are working together and collaborating, even just in the way that they're seated in the classroom, just creates this very collaborative space.
I feel very lucky and privileged to be able to do stuff like this.
We visited our health science class. Our teacher is Amy Buffington. The students are in the practicum level of the class, so they do clinicals, and they were getting instruction from a medical student at Grand Canyon University virtually and showing them how to do sutures. So the kids were learning using real suturing equipment and some models that replicate what I guess the actual skin and flesh would feel like, and she was walking them through the process of doing sutures.
I'm interested in pursuing surgery as a career, so getting to kind of do this today, it was really exciting and I honestly really enjoyed it. It was fun.
I want to be an anesthesiologist when I'm older. Whenever I went to the hospital, I got to shadow surgeons and CRNAs and stuff to be able to see what I would want to do in my future.
You could tell that they were really focused on what they were doing, that they took it seriously, and that they were really invested in learning.
So one common reason many people get stitches is if they've got their wisdom teeth removed.
Miss Buffington has always been great at going above and beyond for us. Even when we were in the hospital, she asked if we could do a phlebotomy lesson there. So we got another hands-on experience learning how to draw blood and stuff.
Well, that's just kind of how Miss Buffington is, but it's always really nice to know how much she just kind of cares about us as students.
The preparation that went into today's activity and the way that she's thinking about how she can really help these students advance and get the most out of these lessons was really inspiring.
But this is something that she discovered as a way to teach students how to do this process. It's not her area of expertise. There's lots of different avenues in the medical field, so she reached out and she found some expertise in doing this process, and she made it happen. It's just a reminder of what our teachers do every day and the things that are happening in our classrooms every day that are innovative and are amazing experiences for our kids.
She really started the passion in me to pursue this, and so I think we're incredibly lucky to have her, and I think this program would not be nearly as good as it is or bring in as many students if Miss Buffington was not the teacher in charge of it.
And now you want to rotate your wrist to take the needle out.
As a health service professional now, I look back and see that we didn't have these kinds of hands-on learning opportunities. Nothing really replaces seeing the professionals in action and learning directly from them and doing those hands-on activities.
When they walk out of there, the pride that they're gonna have and be like, hey, I could do a suture if I needed to, if I was in that situation. Pretty cool to see that experience. But I can't imagine that there's many places out there that offer better opportunities than what we have at Cedar Park.